Alright folks, let me introduce you to the MAGICJET, a game-changer in underwater exploration. This compact and powerful battery-operated underwater scooter is designed to enhance your underwater adventures. Weighing just 3.6 kilograms and easily handled with one hand, the MAGICJET lets you glide through depths at an impressive speed of 1.8 meters per second. With a full charge lasting 100 minutes, it ensures extended exploration without interruptions. What's really cool about the MAGICJET is its positive buoyancy, meaning it won't sink if it slips from your grasp, diving up to 50 meters deep. And here's an idea for double the fun. You can even combine two scooters for an even more thrilling experience. However, I must warn you, the price might take your breath away. A single MAGICJET costs $800. But for those passionate about underwater adventures, this investment could open up a whole new world of exploration and excitement. Picture this, right in the heart of the Underwater Museum of Marseille. Amidst captivating statues, there's a fascinating capsule that promises a unique underwater living experience. This underwater shelter is a 6.5-foot wide polycarbonate bubble, accommodating up to 3 people at a time. However, it's not a long-term living space, since the oxygen supply comes from cylinders needing a refresh every 2 to 3 minutes. Yet, for tourists, it's an intriguing glimpse into underwater living. When adapted for seabed exploration, the AQUABULLE transforms into a comfortable space, pressurized using a buoy above, that provides compressed air or gas mixtures. This allows researchers to work on the seabed for extended periods, using the capsule as a rest stop and decompression chamber. However, it does have its drawbacks, such as limited comfort, maneuverability, and the inability to remove diving suits inside. Nevertheless, it serves as an excellent transfer point for the inhabitants of a hypothetical underwater city, adding a touch of futuristic exploration to the museum experience. EXOLUNG. Imagine this. While growing gills might still be a distant dream for humanity, we've got the next best thing. The EXOLUNG. This incredible device is an endless breathing system, designed for diving, and here's the kicker. It doesn't rely on any external energy sources. All it needs is the movement of the swimmer and a small buoy that stays on the surface. Here's how it works. As you extend and retract your legs, air is drawn into the device through a hose, then delivered straight to your lungs. It's as simple as moving, and you breathe. But what if you stop moving? Well, not to worry. The hose is a mere 16 feet long, allowing the diver to resurface quickly. And the best part? The EXOLUNG weighs only 7.7 pounds, making it a lightweight and efficient addition to any diving adventure. So, while gills might still be a fantasy, the EXOLUNG brings us one step closer to seamless underwater exploration. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the extraordinary underwater tour where diving skills are not required, because you'll be walking instead. This experience is suitable for ages 8 to over 80, making it accessible to all. You can walk underwater at various breathtaking locations worldwide, from the Bahamas and Curacao to the Philippines and Guam. Typically lasting around 25 minutes, this tour leaves lasting impressions, capturing memories worthy of framing as photography and video recording are often allowed. Professional operators are available upon request, and just like any standard tour, a guide accompanies participants. The CRA helmets ensure 3 times more air than usual and equalize pressure to avoid any accidents. Plus, its design allows you to pinch your nose and unclog your ears, just like in an airplane or a swimming pool. The best part? It keeps your head dry, so you don't even have to remove your glasses or contacts. In Mexico, you can enjoy this incredible tour for just $79 per person. Here's another fantastic device. For those who want to dive without the hassle of heavy bulky scuba gear, Dive Portable Lungs. This diving kit easily fits into a backpack and includes a pump with a cylinder filled with oxygen. While the oxygen supply lasts for about half an hour underwater, making long and deep dives impractical, it's perfect for exploring lakes, river bottoms, or near coastal sea areas. The best part? The cylinder can be refilled, so all you need to do is resurface and do a bit of pumping. Dive Portable Lungs would be incredibly handy for golf ball divers, especially on golf courses with reservoirs that periodically collect lost balls. These divers retrieve the lost balls, but carrying a giant cylinder with air, which can weigh 44 pounds on land, can be cumbersome. With dive-portable lungs, using a small kit would make this task much easier and more manageable. Let me introduce you to the concept of an underwater bedroom, offering a unique and cozy living experience nestled within the Paris Aquarium. Now, before you get too excited, there's a significant catch to residing in this underwater haven. The bedroom is situated just 33 feet below the surface, allowing for easy access directly from the landroom without any special gear needed. The highlight? A stunning 360 degrees view of the surrounding waters, creating a truly mesmerizing ambience. However, here's where the adventure kicks in. You won't be alone. You'll have 35 sharp-toothed predators as your company, adding an extreme and fascinating element to your stay. While staying independently for an extended period isn't feasible, the room is set up for a couple of overnight stays, providing a comfy bed and a few essentials for a short, yet incredibly memorable underwater experience, surrounded by sharks. Let's talk the DARKFIN DURAFIN gloves. They're not just incredibly popular among divers, but also among kayakers. And it's no wonder why they're such a hit. Take a moment to appreciate their meticulous design, especially their length that conveniently tucks under wetsuits. With DARKFIN jean gloves, it feels like your palms have grown by 70%. But that's not all. Compared to the previous model, these gloves are more durable and offer improved thermal insulation, making them perfect for those long spearfishing trips or chilly water adventures. The key innovation here is an additional third micro-layer of latex with cotton fiber, enhancing comfort, especially in colder water conditions. And the best part? You can get your hands on a pair of these fantastic gloves for just $37, making them a must-have for anyone hitting the water. Waterproof pouch case. Here's the missing piece for enabling freediving anytime, anywhere. A waterproof case for your existing device. With this case, you can take your smartphone and all your necessities to almost any reasonable depth, making your underwater adventures even more exciting. What's great about this particular case is that it not only protects your smartphone from water, but also allows you to use all its functions. While you might not be able to make a call from the seafloor, we wish. Taking photos and using other features becomes a breeze. The material of the case feels nice and doesn't interfere with the touchscreen sensitivity, making it easy to navigate underwater. The only downside is that Touch ID won't work with this case, but that's a small trade-off for the convenience and peace of mind it provides during your aquatic escapades. Delving into data from the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, you might uncover some surprising facts. For instance, sharks actually cause fewer fatalities each year than cows. However, it's shark defense that often captures our attention. Enter ESPEAR, the world's first portable electronic shark repellent. Weighing just 250 grams, it's effective at depths of up to 100 meters and operates for up to 2 hours. By generating an electromagnetic field in a space measuring 2.5 by 1 meter, it causes muscle spasms in any shark that ventures too close. Curious to try out ESPEAR for $300? When you're beneath the waves, encountering sharks can be a concern. Fortunately, there are suits available that can either lessen the impact of such encounters or prevent them altogether. The simplest and oldest suits are like chain mail made of stainless steel, weighing over 33 pounds. While swimming with this, protection might give you a medieval night vibe. It's not ideal for divers who frequently encounter sharks. Modern protective suits, on the other hand, leverage advanced technology and a deep understanding of shark behavior. Some disrupt the shark's perception, confusing it. There are two versions available. One hides the user or object within the water column from a shark's view, while the other transforms the user into something unrecognizable as typical shark prey. Even with all this tech, there are daring divers who manage to stay safe amid sharks without protective suits. These courageous individuals test shark defense strategies and gather crucial data for understanding and managing shark encounters. The ORION platform, named after the brightest constellation in the sky, doesn't just shine above water but also below. This versatile platform revolves around its core component, the DPX-1 shield case, which allows you to take your tablet to depths of up to 60 meters. For seamless interaction underwater, there's even a special DPX-3 dagger stylus included. What's impressive about ORION is its openness to collaboration with third-party hardware and software manufacturers. Already, it's compatible with wired and wireless solutions that simplify tasks like monitoring breathing and heartbeat, aiding in 3D modeling, and collecting data on water temperature and pressure. With a case designed for tablets up to 11 inches, the ORION platform offers a wealth of possibilities for underwater exploration and research, priced at $249 for the case. For those who dream of gliding through the water like a mermaid, the MERFIN offers a fantastic option without needing Murphy's help. These fins are designed to provide a smooth and effortless movement underwater, almost like a natural extension of the body. The manufacturer describes MERFIN as a lightweight fin that's specially crafted for aquatic elegance. Attaching the fins is a breeze. They easily strap onto the ankles and can be just as easily removed if needed. So, if you've ever imagined what it would be like to have a fin as part of your body, MERFIN is your chance to experience that magical feeling of graceful swimming. Imagine diving into the mesmerizing world beneath the waves with the SEAVIEW 180 degrees V3, a revolutionary full-face snorkeling mask hailed by its creators as the next generation in underwater exploration. Snorkeling is all about immersing yourself in the stunning beauty of the underwater realm, and this mask amplifies that experience with an outstanding 180 degrees view, which is 20% wider than many similar products. Comfort is key, and if any water sneaks in, simply lift your head from the snorkeling position, and it effortlessly drains out through a clever one-way valve near the chin. Crafted from medical-grade silicone and featuring the patented FLCH system for natural breathing, this mask weighs just 640 grams, ensuring a comfortable and seamless underwater adventure. And the best part? With all these incredible features, the SEAVIEW 180 degrees V3 is priced at just $60, making it accessible to all passionate snorkelers eager to dive deep into the beauty of the ocean. Air Buddy. Living underwater often involves the hassle of swapping out oxygen tanks regularly, but there's an incredible invention that bypasses this inconvenience. By providing oxygen straight from the surface, it's called the Air Buddy. Imagine it as your personal float, equipped with a motor and a breathing tube, allowing you to explore underwater without the need for traditional tanks. The core component, the compressor, plays a vital role by taking air from the surface and delivering it through a duct to the user via a 4G life buoy tank, providing enough oxygen for a 45-minute dive at depths of up to 39 feet. Charging the compressor is simple. You can use a standard outlet, taking around 4 to 4.5 hours to fully charge. A built-in battery charge level monitor keeps track of remaining oxygen, and an audible alarm reminds users to resurface after 45 minutes. While Air Buddy isn't yet a solution for full-time underwater living, it's a significant advancement for diving. With potential enhancements, it could extend dive times enough for more regular underwater exploration in the future. Have you ever marveled at those stunning underwater shots and thought they were only possible with professional equipment? If so, you haven't heard about the floating tripod yet. The new Grip 4-in-1 combines a hand grip, a mini tripod, and a 22-inch long selfie stick into one versatile tool. What's even more impressive is that, when flipped over and lowered into the water, it floats on the surface, allowing you to capture the mesmerizing underwater world effortlessly. The entire tripod weighs only 0.3 pounds, making it incredibly lightweight and portable. What can you film with it? Well, how about the migration of crabs or any underwater scene you desire? If you want to observe without any distractions, especially in situations like these, a floating tripod is the perfect option to ensure stable and clear footage. The SCORKL tank is an incredible innovation that allows anyone to breathe underwater for up to 10 minutes, making it an ideal option for those who are curious about scuba diving but don't want to invest heavily in equipment. Using the SCORKL is incredibly easy. You can even pump air into it using a hand pump. The tank is compact and can be easily held with your teeth, leaving your hands free for exploration. Beginners are advised to use the SCORKL at depths of no more than 3 meters and a maximum of 5 times a day. The concept has been so successful that SCORKL 2.0 has already been released, featuring the main innovation of an included compressor that can operate using 1 or 2 18V batteries if needed. This kit is priced at $200, offering an accessible and convenient way to experience underwater exploration without the need for extensive scuba gear.